Today I'm going to talk about coenzyme Q10 and ubiquinol. Don't skip this video because I'm going to give you a very important tip.
I am Dr. Anna Maria, and you are on Tips, Dr. Anna Maria.
Thank you for being here with me on my channel watching. If you're not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and subscribe, give it a like, and leave a comment. Share this information with anyone you think needs it. Ubiquinol is a substance that our body produces on its own. It's produced by the liver, kidneys, and heart. And we produce this substance, this ubiquinol, till the age of 60. When you start turning 60, that production begins to decrease until it stops. And the ones who suffer the most are the body and the brain, the reasoning, the mind. The ideal is to think about taking this vitamin. When you take it, it starts to improve your internal energy levels because it nourishes your muscle and brain cells, and you start to feel more energized to do your activities. I'm going to talk a little bit about ubiquinol and coenzyme Q10. There's a lot of discussion about what we should buy. Which one is better? When you take coenzyme Q10, it can boost your internal ubiquinol levels by up to 60%, so that's good. But when you buy and take ubiquinol itself, it will increase your internal ubiquinol levels by 150% no matter your age. What happens? You end up having a quicker source of energy to recover better and be able to return to your activities with more ease and confidence. Boosts your energy. You have extra energy like you've recharged yourself. You were completely out of energy. When you take Biquinol, you charge yourself and have energy that you didn't even know could happen. Even if you eat well and consume good foods, ubiquinol is the guy that can provide enough energy for your body and brain to function, which is why it is so important. As many have had COVID and know recovery is hard, our minds don't function well, lingering effects persist, physical activity is tough, there are body aches. And the heart isn't as strong as it used to be, right? I'm going to tell you a bit about the benefits of Biquinol to see if you'd like to have little more energy in your life. Biquinol reduces the risk of stroke, improves blood pumping, and strengthens the heart muscle. It gives you more energy to do physical activities, helps treat high blood pressure, and improves heart condition for patients with heart failure. It improves fatigue and helps with that shortness of breath you get when you go for a walk, climb stairs, or do something simple, you feel out of breath. Biquinol is what will provide energy to your heart and your cells, so you won't feel as tired anymore. So it's a very important substance for us if you want to improve the quality of your day, do more things, and be more productive. Once you start taking Biquinol, you'll already see some pretty satisfying results, but you'll be in perfect shape and fully benefiting from that extra energy boost in 3 months. There are many brands. Need to pay attention to regarding how much ubiquinol you're actually taking, because sometimes it's mixed with other complexes and you see 1,000 milligrams. But what happens? It's full of other substances, so you need to check the product description for how many percent or how many milligrams of ubiquinol it actually contains. You can buy it mixed with other ingredients, but the important thing is to check you're consuming between 50 milliliters to 200 milliliters daily. That's the right one. The capsule I bought for myself and my family is 100 milliliters, so I take it twice a day. A little before lunch, right at lunchtime, and at dinner. So you have to take this amount. If anyone wants to get it, it's available in my online store here too, okay? What I recommend and what I take, so you won't make a mistake when looking for it. If you like this information, then share it, leave a like, leave a comment, and follow us on Instagram.